How to connect eBay to Payoneer. Hello everyone, this video will show you step-by-step process of linking your eBay account with Payoneer, ensuring you can receive your earning quickly and securely. So guys, make sure to finish this video until the end, then you will be clear understanding how you can easily activate your Payoneer account on eBay. So without no more talking, let's get started. First guys, before starting linking and connecting your Payoneer account with your eBay, first guys I will show you how you can easily list the product, because guys, the only method and the easiest method to link your Payoneer or payment method as a Payoneer on eBay, you need to list a product. As you see guys, this is my Payoneer account and this is the upcoming from eBay, then $20, $70 and $141. Then guys, this video I will show you the easiest method to list the product as first step. Then I will show you how you can link and activate your Payoneer on eBay, and it will be able to get quickly earning on your Payoneer from eBay. Then guys, first guys, open your eBay account. Then after creating your account on eBay and verify it with the existing email address, then go directly on the top and hit on sale. Then guys, I will show you the easy method. Then I will show you how you can easily list an item. Then guys, hit on list item. But guys, this video, it's not the purpose on how to list the product, but the purpose of this video is how to link and connect your Payoneer account with your eBay. Then I will show you how you can easily list a random product. It's not important guys, you need just list the product. Then after linking and connect your Payoneer, then you will be able to delete this product. Then guys, tap any title product, for example this one, then hit on search. Then you need to tap the condition of the product, new without tag, for example. I prefer always using new without tag, because if you are list a branded product, then automatically your product will delete it and your account also it will be banned. Then guys, hit on continue to listing. Then guys, I will show you after listing the product, after adding the pictures and also the title and item category. Then guys, you need to customize the product and also adding the descriptions and the inventory sections and the pricing sections. Then guys, after adding any information about the product, just an example guys, it's not important to list a product with the correct listing, just for confirming and connecting your Payoneer. Then hit on list it now. Then guys, it will take you directly to the next step of connecting and linking. Next, access your account. Then after adding the password of your eBay account, then it will take you directly to set up your seller account, link your Payoneer account first, sync your eBay with Payoneer profiles, and add your financial information and send register information. Then hit on to start. Then guys, this is the easy method and the simplest method to link your account. Hit on send a text message. This is, you need to add your the country code and your phone number. Then hit on send a text message to take you directly to synchronize your profile. Then hit on send to text. Then wait a few seconds to get the code. As you see guys, I have got the code 01 01 151545. Then hit on continue. Then guys, do you want to continue with a particular account? Then guys, yes, continue with this particular account. Switch to personal to professional account. Then hit on continue. It's very easy. You see guys, it will take you to the next step. Do you have an existing Payoneer account of for this person? Then guys, yes, and sign it. Then you need to add your Payoneer account. Then I will show you guys the easiest method to link your Payoneer and activate. Then guys, you need to add your Payoneer account. Then guys, hit on connection. Then wait a few seconds to open your Payoneer account on eBay. It's very easy guys. Then guys, agree to the use of your Payoneer account, then hit on agree. Now guys, connection successfully. eBay can now access your Payoneer account. As you see guys, now your Payoneer account was connected and linked successfully with your eBay account. Now guys, your eBay account, sync your eBay account and Payoneer profile. Now guys, this is your name and the address and everything, every information about your Payoneer account. Now guys, hit on continue to take you directly to add your financial info. Then guys, you need to add your MasterCard, and also you need to add expiration date and first name and last name. Then after adding your add your card, and after adding your card information, it will take you to the last registration info. Then you will be able to list any product on eBay with the easiest method. As you see guys, this is the easy method to link and connect your eBay account with Payoneer without using any apps and no prior experience. Only you have to sign in on your Payoneer account and verify your account on Payoneer by an existing email address or phone number. Then on the last, you will be able to connect. Just you need to list a product or a random product, then it will take you to the next step to link and connect your eBay on your Payoneer on eBay. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.